So, you've dropped an image into Canva and it looks fine, but also kind of stiff. Those sharp corners, they're giving off PowerPoint 2007 vibes. Let's fix that and give your design a clean, modern upgrade. Here's the trick. Canva actually has a built-in tool that lets you round off the corners of any image. And once you learn it, you'll never go back to those blocky edges again. Alright, step 1. Click on the image you want to edit. Just a single click, nothing fancy. The moment you do, a toolbar appears right above your design. Think of this toolbar as your mini control panel. It's where all the quick edits hide. Now, in that toolbar, look for an option called corner rounding. If you don't see it right away, slow down and scan carefully. It's tucked between some of the other edit icons. Once you spot it, click it. This is where the magic happens. A slider pops up, and as soon as you drag it to the right, your image corners start to curve. Keep dragging, and those corners get rounder and rounder. Take it all the way to the max, and boom, your rectangle can actually turn into a circle as long as your image is square-shaped. If it's more of a rectangle, it'll stay rounded but stretched like a pill shape. And here's the cool part, you don't have to commit to one extreme. Stop anywhere along that slider, and you can choose exactly how soft or dramatic you want those corners to look. A little curve feels subtle and professional. A full curve feels bold and playful. You're in control. Now, let's pause for a second. Why even bother with rounded corners? Sharp edges can sometimes feel cold or rigid. Rounded edges, on the other hand, are easier on the eyes. That's why you see them everywhere. Up icons on your phone, profile pictures on social media, even modern websites. They feel smoother, friendlier, and way more polished. Here's a quick design tip. If you're using multiple images in the same layout, keep the corner style consistent. If one photo has hard edges and another has soft corners, it throws the whole thing off balance. But if they all share the same rounding, suddenly your design looks intentional and professional. Another bonus of rounded corners, they can hide distractions. Let's say the edge of your photo has something awkward in the background. Once you curve those corners, those distractions fade out and the focus shifts back to what really matters in your image. It's like a built-in cleanup tool. And don't stress about making the wrong choice. Canva keeps this tool flexible. You can always go back, click on the photo again, adjust the slider, and change the roundness whenever you want. It's not permanent, so experiment as much as you like. So, quick recap, click your image, find the corner rounding option, drag the slider, and stop where it feels right. That's literally it. In less than 10 seconds, you can give any picture softer edges and make your whole design look instantly more modern. It's a small detail, but in design, the small details are what separate beginner-looking work from something that feels polished. And now, you've got this trick up your sleeve every time you're working in Canva. So, go ahead, try it out on your next project. Round those corners and watch how much smoother your designs instantly feel.